learn how to write a business plan, how to develop relationships with financial institutions, and really get your small business off the ground and running. This has all been free, and that's a word that I keep saying, free. And that's because of our relationships with some of our wonderful, wonderful sponsors. I would like to thank Chase Bank, Chicago Community Ventures, and Harris Bank for their wonderful contributions. I would also like to give a special thanks to my former employer, Northern Trust, for being a diamond sponsor at this year's Expo. Representing Northern Trust this morning is Charlene Sobey, a Vice President and Manager of Small Business Affairs, and I'm going to ask her to come up and say a few words. Charlene?
Thank you, and good morning. On behalf of Northern Trust, I would like to thank the City of Chicago, and especially City Treasurer Neely and her staff, for organizing this expo to give small businesses and the many institutions that serve them the opportunity to exchange ideas and gather information. Northern is proud to support this event and the businesses that it's designed to serve because we are proud to be a part of Chicago. Many people don't realize that Northern Trust makes business loans and loans to small businesses at that. Well, we do make business loans and lots of them right here in Chicagoland. After all, we're your hometown bank. Our world headquarters are exactly where they've been for the last 118 years. Right over here at the corner of LaSalle and Monroe, less than 2 miles from here. And we have branches throughout the city and in the suburbs. Northern understands that it is vitally important to maintain the health of the communities in which our clients and employees live and work. Your small businesses are an important factor in the health of those communities. You provide jobs, local access to goods and services, and neighborhood stability. And that's why Northern works with small businesses and their owners through business loans and deposits, home mortgages and personal financial services, and efforts to create affordable housing. This involvement has earned Northern numerous honors, such as one of the 100 best corporate citizens and one of the world's most socially responsible companies. We all know that small businesses face many challenges. One of them is time. You, as owners and entrepreneurs, must wear many hats. You are marketers, accountants, strategic planners, negotiators, machine operators, sometimes even janitors and bill collectors. And it's hard to fit all of that into one day's work. So I encourage you to make the most of your time here at the Expo. Talk to people, gather information, take advantage of the workshops so that you can learn new concepts. And most importantly, be proud of your businesses and what they are doing for the prosperity of your communities and our city. Congratulations to all the entrepreneurs here on your hard work and your many accomplishments. Northern Trust wishes you continued success. Thank you.